What is SEER? Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. In layman's terms, think of it as miles per gallon to the car. Currently in 2021, the minimum standard the government mandates us to install here in the Southwest, it's what's called a 14 SEER, 14 miles to the gallon. The higher the efficiency, 16, 18, 20, 27, it mandates that you have higher efficiency, right? A car that was, to make an analogy of, right? A car that we buy today at 18 miles to the gallon, right? In 10 years, it will no longer be 18 miles to the gallon. Same thing that happens with our air conditioners. Our air conditioners have components in them equal to, such as engines and motors, compressors, right? And trinkets and widgets. Same thing that happens to our cars. Seasonal energy efficiency rating is basically the efficiency that's correlated to the components that you're installing into your home. The higher the SEER, right, the higher the miles per gallon, the more efficient they are.